arms full of faded thread, to that clear spring where the wild ferns nod their sleepy head. Big black kettle waiting patient by the water's edge, so still I'd gather sticks for the fire, light it high against the chill. Papa built that line up sturdy, stretched twixt two old oaks so grand, where the linens dance and breezes drying clean across the land. On Cherokee ground where the rivers whisper low and true, we'd boil the stains of yesterday, make the old feel almost new. Oh, stir with the wash stick, round and round in the boil, rinse in the spring's kiss, cold as a mountain coil. Hang 'em high on father's line, let the sun weave its gold. Simple suds and games I play, stories only young hearts hold. No complaints from these hands, though the work pulled me low, 'cause you don't miss the fancy when the wild world's all you know. In Oklahoma's quiet fold, where the prairie's breath is sweet, Pauline's wash day lullaby, dancing light on weary feet. Fill the pot till it brimmed close, tumbled in like autumn leaves. Soap from lye and fat we'd render bubbles rising like relieved thieves. I'd poke in proud with that long stick grandmama's carved from hickory wood, watch the colors bleed and brighten, turning labor into good. Then out to the chill spring running, ringing till my fingers ached, water shocking like a secret, every drop a promise stayed. Made up games with shadow birds and whispers from the trees, pretending skirts were fairy sails caught in imaginary breeze. Oh, stir with a wash stick, round and round in the boil, rinse in the spring's kiss, cold as a mountain coil. Hang 'em high on father's line, let the sun weave its gold. Simple suds and games I played, stories only young hearts hold. No complaints from these hands, though the work pulled me low, 'cause you don't miss the fancy when the wild world's all you know. In Oklahoma's quiet fold, where the prairie's breath is sweet, Pauline's wash day lullaby, dancing light on weary feet. Life was plain as homespun cotton, not much cloth or plate to fill, but the hills' rough song and kettle's hum kept my spirit steady still. No room for wine against the weight, for we'd never known the store with silks and machines to ease the bend or ease the aching core. Father's line would sag then straighten, heavy with the day's clean yield, snapping sharp in prairie wind like flags on an untamed field. I'd linger watching clouds parade, inventing tales in the steam, turning chores to childhood magic, chasing off the work's dull dream. Ain't no shame in blistered palms or the fire's smoky kiss, just the rhythm of the river in every twist and swish. From the boil to the blue sky hanging, we wove our quiet art, Cherokee hands in simple suds, beating close to the heart. Oh, stir with the wash stick, round and round, Pauline's wash day lullaby, dancing light on